My Ad Center lets you customize the personalized ads you see on YouTube by choosing which topics and brands are most relevant to you. For example, if you're less interested in video games and watching TV, but you're a foodie, your choices should result in seeing more ads for cooking-related items and fewer ads for games. You can also choose to limit ads about certain sensitive topics like alcohol, dating, and gambling in the Sensitive tab. We'll do our best not to show you ads for limited topics, but you might still see an ad featuring a limited topic if an unrelated ad features that topic, or if you search for something that is related to that topic. Turning off personalized ads means you'll see more generic ads based on factors like the time of day or content you're viewing. It's important to know that customizing your ads doesn't block ad topics or brands completely, nor does it mean you'll see fewer ads overall. However, customizing your ads does allow you to tailor your experience with Google services into one that feels timely and relevant to you.